Hello, welcome to Flower Juice. My name's John McDonald, and today I'm going to show you little arrangements. Now, someone asked us if we could do like little petite arrangements, and I was looking for a container and I found the perfect thing. So this is like little candlesticks or little votives that we use, and they have like a little glass tea light holder in it, and I thought this would be really pretty to do like a little miniature flower arrangement for these. So this is going to be our flowers and our container. So our flowers, I've got a mix of different things. I've got bupleurum, little asters, little bridal gladioli. I've got some brodea, some hypericum, little button chrysanthemums, just a nice mix of garden materials. So let's begin. So our little containers are set up and I've put water in them already. So really, I don't necessarily want to do three that match or three that are exactly the same. I'm thinking if they were all different, so maybe this is something you could have a run of these right down a table. So looking at our materials then, I've got lots of little things. So really, I'm thinking the best way to make this is probably just to create a little bunch in my hand. So just taking off the bottom leaves and just working our way. The thing that I really liked about the flowers was actually this little button chrysanthemum, and this is one of the santini type that you can get. And the santinis are great for doing things that are smaller and a little bit more interesting, so like kind of garden style. So I'm really just going to work my way here with these. So I'm just creating like a big corsage or a big group of flowers. And I'm looking for it to be a bit balanced. So obviously this one we're needing another flower over here. And then really I'm looking, I'll just cut that and then drop it in. And really it's as simple as that. So actually just creating that little bunch works really well. I think if you were to try and just put things in individually, it becomes a little bit more difficult, but we can give it a go. This is the problem, things fall out. So actually you're better creating it in your hand. So the reason I'm not cutting lots of material in advance is because I'm not really sure how I want it to work. So actually if I cut things in advance, I'm then left with, I'm stuck with them in that definite shape or definite length, and I might have material that I don't use that is then too short to use for anything. So actually with that astilbe I can take a little bit off the side, which is quite pretty. Actually this is really nice, the brodea, but again I want a wee flower there. So really again we've got our little bunch. I'm just going to cut that nice and short. Now you could tie that with some paper covered wire. That would be a good way of doing it. But I think as long as you're holding it nice and neat, it depends. If you're going to have to move these around, then what I would do is I would suggest tying them off and using the paper covered wire. This is a Miss Piggy rose, and the Miss Piggy roses are really cute and really sweet. So with our astilbe here, I'm going to just trim it a little bit. So we've taken the top off, which gives us a placement, and actually we can use that other bit on the other side. Now I do want these to match a little bit, so by bringing in materials that we've got in the others, that's going to make them all quite sympathetic with each other. I just love these little chrysanthemums, I think they're so cute. And that's actually really, really sweet. So again, just a little trim. Sometimes when you're trimming things, you have to go shorter than you actually think. But straight away, we've got three really simple and really effective little arrangements. Okay, so there we go. We've got three examples of petite arrangements, and you could use these for any purpose. So you might want to put one in your bathroom beside the sink. You might want to have it on a windowsill or on a table. You could do a line of these down the middle of the table. Or even if you want to keep your table really really clear and crisp, you could actually just have these as a place setting or with a name card for each guest. And this would be something that they could take away with them. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. And if you'd like to keep up to date with all our videos, then click here to subscribe. And thank you for watching.